Under the Land for the Tiller Act, land bonds and stocks of four major state-owned enterprises, Taiwan Cement, Taiwan Paper, Taiwan Tea Corporation, and Taiwan Mining, were issued as compensation for the acquisition of land in Taiwan's early years. The need to manage the circulation of these outstanding stocks led to the establishment of the Taiwan Stock Exchange Corporation on February 9, 1962. Since its inception, the Taiwan Stock Exchange operates in line with government policy to develop a healthy securities market. It continues to inject momentum into the industry and promote Taiwan's economic restructuring with the continual and steady introduction of capital into the markets. TWSE helps organize the flow of people, goods, and information onto a single forum by facilitating an efficient market regime. In this way, TWSE leverages its role as a cost-effective funding platform for the purpose of supporting growing capital markets. Our strategic plan comprises one vision, two missions, three strategies, four tasks, and 5 opportunities. Together with key industry players, we support our listed company community, work to develop cutting-edge products, and expand the size of our markets in order to build a thriving securities industry for the good of Taiwan. The Taiwan Stock Exchange aims to serve as a platform for the channeling of funds on the basis of supply and demand. With a vision for deep liquidity in Taiwan's markets, TWSE works tirelessly with and for enterprises to this end. TWSE provides guidance and assistance with listing applications and fundraising so that listed companies can expand operations, create employment, and increase efficiency. TWSE maintains fair and transparent market mechanisms to protect investor rights and fulfill its responsibility as Taiwan's premier financial institution. The circulation of people, funds, and information reflects the number of investment opportunities available in the market. The more supportive the fundraising environment, the more liquid and vibrant the economy. How to achieve this? We must start with 2 critical tasks. The Taiwan Stock Exchange stands ready to advise enterprises on sustainable corporate development and cost-effective fundraising. TWSE provides enterprises convenient access to capital pools with low listing fees and a quick review process. Additionally, TWSE provides effective market surveillance. Routine and exception audits are conducted regularly on financial and business operations of listed companies. TWSE also requires listed companies to disclose material information by predetermined deadlines in order to ensure timely and complete disclosure. To ensure the orderliness of markets, TWSE reinforces supervision of market transactions with high standards of compliance. TWSE's Market Surveillance Department alerts investors of any irregular trading activity via its real-time monitoring system, protecting investors' rights and restoring the integrity of the marketplace. The Taiwan Stock Exchange maintains high reporting standards for listed companies and continually seeks to improve its trading environment in order to attract reputable firms and products. With market-wide adoption of IFRSs and XBRL filing standards, TWSE aims to build investor confidence by aligning with international norms in building a sound capital market. TWSE is committed to enhancing the transparency, fairness, and efficiency of trading mechanisms. At the same time, TWSE aims to streamline market order systems as well as clearing and settlement processes as part and parcel of its internationalization efforts. In this way, TWSE can continue to provide safer, more diversified, and higher quality financial instruments in order to boost the appeal of Taiwan's market. The Taiwan Stock Exchange values feedback from market participants and responds to their needs by relaxing burdensome restrictions and intervening to realign market operating systems where necessary. Additionally, the Taiwan Stock Exchange is committed to the innovative development of financial instruments in order to meet the needs of increasingly diversified and globalized investment demands. Accordingly, TWSE actively pursues foreign and domestic capital in order to create a world-class fundraising environment. TWSE also capitalizes on its core competencies by strengthening cooperation with like-minded stock exchanges. TWSE is an active participant in international organizations such as WFE, AOSEF, IOSCO, and others in order to enhance Taiwan's visibility in the world's capital markets. TWSE keeps abreast of international trends and practices in order to navigate the increasingly competitive world of globalized securities markets. Given the rapidly changing nature of the international environment, uncertainty is an intrinsic part of global capital markets. TWSE confronts these challenges with its 5 opportunities principle: new products, new mechanisms, new markets, new information, and new competition. Continually upgrading mechanisms and technology enables TWSE to manage future competition and challenges by constructing a friendly context for foreign companies and capital. Cutting-edge technology and infrastructure dovetails with our vision of liquid markets as we aspire to realize the potential of our securities community. Together, we look forward to becoming one of the region's finest international fundraising platforms. Taiwan Stock Exchange at your service. When we say at your service, we're talking about our commitment to servicing a world-class market. We evaluate our progress based on 3 key indicators. The first indicator is pricing. Our market's PE and PB ratio are considered very reasonable for the region. The second indicator is profitability, or the return on our markets. Historically, the dividend yield of Taiwan's securities market typically ranges from 3% to 5%. That is, the return from Taiwan's securities is higher than the return on time deposit rates. Therefore, we can say that Taiwan's dividend yield is quite attractive. The third indicator is prosperity, which is another way of talking about liquidity. In recent years, turnover usually approximates our target of 100%. So our turnover rate is evidence of a very liquid market. In short, we invigorate our markets with liquid securities and together strive to maximize returns for our investors and our businesses.